All right, May Day, later in the day, I'm now watercoloring yellow, symbolic of someone being yellow like a coward. I also just penciled in grr, exclamation, blah, exclamation. This is around where I wrote TRUMPLIKES QADDAFI, exclamation. Thank you, Dr. Chi. I appreciate your feedback. You're a great art critic. Best in the house. Turn this one off about 2.5 minutes. About 1 more minute. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Okay, coming along. I'm going to be going over the pencil areas with either dark brown or black ink lines. Ooh, that looks, I like it. All right, 233, 234. Okay, that's it for now. I might have that go into a darker yellow or maybe brown on the viewer's left side there. Have it blend.